Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. The timeline of your life. The answer remains inside for all the happiness, health, and success that is destined to be. Don't seek external matters that fade away with time. Seek the eternal truths. Embrace them, live them, while taking action steps to your dreams. Watch them play out in the movie screen of your mind, and eventually the timeline of your life. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I believe this with all my heart and soul. I believe whatever you truly want in life, you can have. And manifesting is part of us, I believe. I believe that with all my heart and soul. But I believe when you manifest, you gotta believe it's there already. Just picture it in your mind like the poem says. And watch it unfold for you. Don't force things. Let it go once you've imagined it. It's a beautiful thing. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.